What's up, everybody? Here Ivan. I'm gonna do this super quick video on how you can make money on YouTube using this software tool, SEO software tool. It's right here. A lot of people been asking me a lot of questions, so I decided to make this quick video. So take notes. Yes, I use this software. It's called Money Robot. Usually it costs on their website. It costs like $500. Yeah, like $500 and $67 a month. So usually I got it right here on eBay on a discount price right here from this guy or girl or whatever. It cost me $55 for 6 months. So it's working like a charm. It's working. I've been using it for 2 months for now. It's working like a charm. I just purchased from this girl or guy, whatever. There's another SEO tools that I needed. Usually I was paying for a monthly fee, but right here is very cheap. Usually I bought this one, I think. I'm not sure. No, I bought this one. Yeah, right here. And the Scrapebox I already had it. So this one, it costs $60. Usually it has a lot of SEO tools that been working for years on the marketplace. That I was using Moz, usually this one, and I was paying like $150. I think I was paying this one. Yeah, the medium, and I tried to upgrade it because I was doing a lot of research and this 2020. That's why I've been super busy. I don't post a lot on Facebook. That's why, because I'm always busy. I'm always doing learning something new. But yeah, this is that guy that's selling it right here on eBay. Where's this guy or girl or whatever gave me this access and all this SEO tools access, passwords and usernames and emails and everything. So it's working. So you don't have to pay all this like I paid before. If you're really serious, if you really want to make it happen on SEO Black Hat. I know about SEO Black Hat, Gray Hat, White Hat. I'll be learning all this year about that. So usually I make more money on Black Hat, to be honest, just from YouTube videos. I don't even have to show my face. So that's why a lot of people been asking me, hey Ivan, on this post, how do you get a lot of views on this videos? It's right here. Just recently uploaded them. Just put it on YouTube, and you're getting a lot of interaction. So that's why this is what I use the most, Money Robot. But you gotta have a VPS hosting on this, or else it might work. This is the VPS hosting that I use. Is this one? I already have my computer custom made, but I'm adding more software, so I needed this VPS hosting. Is this one? I got the GSA, this from eBay too, the seller, and Money Robot. Another. You can share it unlimited on this the Money Robot license key. So you have like 3 VPS hosting. You can share it, no problem. That's why I like this software. But yeah, this is the one I purchased it right here. Where is it? Give me a sec. Oh, it's called Asian. I thought I had it on my tab. Asian Virtual Solutions. So this is the cheapest one and the fastest one that I found, because you can find other ones on GoDaddy or Namecheap or whatever, but they're not very fast. Or even on Google has it, but they don't like this kind of bots, so they will cancel your account. It's called Google Cloud, I think. But yeah, this one I'm just paying like, let me check, I don't even know how much I'm paying, like $82 a month. I know a lot of people are gonna say it's a lot of money, but it's worth it. You're gonna make, if you promote a business or whatever. If you promote local business, I know right now with this madness that's going on right now, I don't want to say because right now YouTube doesn't like mentioning that a lot, or your video will be shut down. I don't know why. I've been having that issue with Google Ads. But yeah, I have this service. Where is VPS Hosting? Where is it? Must be right here. Where is it? Oh my god, I can't find it. Oh, it's right here. Yeah, it's this one. I think I got this one. They have usually two. One costs $60 per month, and this one 82, I think. Yeah, 82 per month. It works awesome. It's this one. It's very fast. I have other software running too, so it's awesome. I like it. It's very fast. I've been testing a lot of VPS hosting from another services, and they're very slow. And I don't know. It's kind of It's like I don't know if you. It's like back in the 2000s when the internet was just coming out, that you have to upload or see a video or something. It was so freaking slow. So this is the fastest one that I found, and it's very cheap. Usually it costs this one. It costs like, if you would buy it, if you would get this service on GoDaddy, Namecheap, Bluehost, they would charge you like $200. So this is very cheap. So that's very cheap. Usually I think this guy is from the Black Hat, but he knows what's up. He has a lot of stuff right here about SEO. SEO, like he give you backlinks. Yeah, this coming year to 2021, I gotta make a training course on SEO only. It's gonna be like Black Hat, Gray Hat, and White Hat. I know a lot of people are scared of the Black Hat. Excuse me, sorry. A lot of people are scared of the Black Hat. But what I do on the Black Hat, I promote a lot of videos. It works better on videos on the Black Hat. But if you want to promote like an e-commerce store or something, do it White Hat, because that's gonna be your business. So it works better on White Hat. It's gonna take you a little bit longer to rank it on the front pages of Google or Bing, but it works. You just gotta be patient on the White Hat. But yeah, what I do on PaperCut, a lot of people asking me a lot of questions about PaperCut too. What I usually do on SEO videos, and that's it. Just go to Fiverr. Usually I have a service right now that I'm using, that I'm paying a monthly fee like $100. But you can go with Fiverr. You don't have, because usually the service costs like $100 per month that I'm using for roofing, plumbing, what else? I don't know, rehab or whatever. But just go right here, roof, video. It's been a long time since I used Fiverr for this kind of service. But just go on Fiverr, do your own research. It should be there. Someone will make you a video like this one. Yeah, roofing video promo. Oh, this one is good. $30, $10. Yeah. Usually, I just promote phone numbers on videos. I don't usually put websites or nothing, and SEO. On Google Ads, cut only. Yes, you gotta put a website. And I have the hookup for rehab, the certificate. A lot of people have been asking me that. Because how do you get a certificate to promote rehab? Because usually you need a certificate for the rehab, so you can promote it on Google. So it's kind of nonsense. Before it wasn't like that, but Google always changes their algorithm. But this one is good, I think. One of these, $10. Just put your phone number and that's it. And rank it in your city, whatever. Yeah, I gotta do like I mentioned I might do a training course this coming 2021. Only SEO, only SEO, and I might give some free bonus on pay-per-click. How do I do it? Super easy on SEO. But yeah, right now I just I came to visit my family in Mexico, in Rosarito, and it's kind of cold right now. So I never thought it was gonna be so freaking cold. Rosarito is close to the beach, so yeah. But yeah, I will let you guys know by next year if I'm gonna have it available, because I'm super busy with this done for you campaigns. I'm a new business. Usually I stop because of the COVID-19. Some of my family members had the COVID-19, so I stopped to take care of them. But everything is cool right now. So yeah, thanks for watching this super quick video, and Merry Christmas to all y'all. If I'm gonna say what's up. All right, thanks. Bye.